back to the amazing world of Sunday. And today we are doing 50 plus experiments, science biology. Tell me if you notice this guy over here. This cute little guy. So cute. It has 50 plus experiments, includes 20 plus tools and ingredients, and it's a STEM toy. By the way, guys, I got this on my birthday. No cap. So the contents are small measuring beaker, big measuring beaker, baking soda, citric acid, funnel, wooden spatula, yellow food coloring, blue food coloring, red food coloring, pH strips, cornstarch, cotton balls, test tubes, psyllium husk, heart vacuum mold, colored sheets, plaster of Paris. Oh yeah, I've heard of that. It's concrete. I think so. It's very hard concrete. It's in the US, I think. Paint colors, paint brush, balloons, droppers, illustrated instruction manual. I think that is it. This is the back side. Okay, so now let's get to opening. This is the instruction. This is the instructions manual, and this is all this stuff. Oops. This is all this stuff. First, whatever this thing is, like food coloring. Empty heart. Test tubes. Paint. Balloon and cotton, I think. And this is baking soda, plaster of Paris. Yeah, this is, I think, concrete. Yeah, this is used to make the heart, I think. Psyllium husk. Yeah, this is that. This is the psyllium husk. This is citric acid. Cornflower, and this is just the instructions of the heart thing, and colored papers. Okay, so what thing should we make? Let's find there is one of them is testing starch and yeast now. Formation yeast. Wait, what is this? Is this sugar? No, that's citric acid. Why is there still sugar also? There's no sugar. Oh well, whatever. Okay, fine, guys. I'm gonna get all of this stuff. What is a yeast? Is it eat? Nah, I'll just do something else. Observing capillaries. The effect creates silent. Creating a simple compost. Okay, we'll do this. Creating a simple compost. Big measuring beaker, corn flour, water, stirring rod, spatula, soil. Guys, wait a minute. I'm gonna get my stuff. Okay, guys, I am back and I've chosen another experiment which is good. We are doing understanding nerves and signal transmission. So we need baking soda, citric acid, water, food coloring, a clear glass or plastic cup, spatula, cotton balls, stopwatch or a timer. Wait. Okay guys, I got the plastic cup and now we just have to fill it with stuff. Wait, I'm coming back. So I got this filled. Now we need add a few drops of food coloring of your choice to make the reaction. So I'm gonna choose blue. Let's choose blue. There's red. Blue and red makes purple. Should we make purple? Nah, it will just be on black. So let's use blue. Blue is my favorite color if you didn't know. And we're gonna add a few drops of food coloring to make the reaction easier to see. Let me just see how it smells first. Oh. It has this plastic thing on it, so the thing doesn't burn. Let me just take this thingy out. Oops. And then add a few drops. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll stir it. So now you can see the blue water. Not gonna lie, should have made it red. But whatever. Now we got that. My hands are blue. They're not blue, like my thumb is blue. Oops. And where's the cap? Now add 1 spoonful of baking soda to the water. Stir it properly. This is baking soda. Putting a spoonful. Okay. Now let's try not to spill any. A little more. Okay, boom. Now I'm supposed to stir it. And let me just close this. Just keep stirring, just. Gosh. It spilled on paper, but that paper had plastic. Oof, the instructions. Just keep stirring. And now we need to take some citric acid, wherever it is. Here is the citric acid. Guys, I can't cut it. I need to use, a scissor, but I can't find it. Yep, found it. I almost cut the instructions. Why is this so hard to open? Finally. Now add some of that. Oops. Yo, fizz. Can you guys hear it? You will see bubbles fizzing. I'm gonna add a little more just to make it a little better. And boom. Of a movement sync. Start a timer. I need to start a timer.
Okay, let's start. For how long?
No, just start a timer.
Stopwatch.
Yeah, I have to watch how long. But the bubble already fizzed. Don't worry, I counted. I did not, I'm just guessing. 20 seconds, I guess. The faster the reaction, the quicker the signal transmission, just like a fast nerve response. Repeat the experiment using cold water and warm water to see if the reaction speed changes. Bruh. We have to repeat the whole thing using... Fine. How am I supposed to get cold water when I don't even have any? Bruh, I have to do all of this again? Oops, dropped some. Bruh, this is boring. Whatever. Yo, the more I mix it, the more it fizzes. Wait, what if I add a bunch of citric acid? Guys, don't add a bunch of citric acid. I'm just doing it for fun. Oh my god. Yo, it's fizzing like crazy. Guys, look at this. This is how fast the nerve response is. Nice. The more you stir it, the more noise you hear. I'm dropping so much today. So guys, the whole thing was, if you guys didn't understand, the whole thing was about whenever like it fizzed, how much time it fizzed, that's how long the nerves take to reach around the whole body. The second part, the nerves don't take that long. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share and sub. Bye. Wait. Cheers.